To PC.Solutions. In this video, we will introduce the effortless way to view Outlook files and folders. Here, we are going to show you how can you extract email address from Thunderbird mailboxes in some clicks. Let's start by downloading PC.Thunderbird email converter on our machines. Now, go to the Open tab. Software support different email clients and file formats. First, go to the Open tab and select Thunderbird if you have Thunderbird application running on your machine. Choose Configured Account, otherwise, select Choose Folder option to upload Thunderbird emails. As you can see, different folders listed in the software interface on the left. You can hide system folders during conversion. It is done by running the application on a Windows computer and click on Compact option. It also hides subfolders to facilitate the conversion. Now tap on any of the mailbox for data preview. As you see now, all the emails in the Thunderbird folder are listed one by one. Now, click the email to view the message. This way you can preview the Thunderbird email message with all the properties and elements such as email properties, signature, sender information, and more. If you want to see the email attachment, tap on it and choose whether you want to open it or save it. The Export tab gives you multiple options to save email message into standard formats. And Extract tab helps you to take out email addresses, attachments, phone number and more from the emails. So, let's choose email addresses from the Extract options as shown in the video. Then, mark the required folder and unmark the rest. Then, click on Browse and specify a location on your system to get the final results. Now, let's understand the advanced functions of the tool one by one. The first is open folders after export is done. If you enable this feature, then the target folder where the output file is saved gets automatically opened after the conversion. The next one is to extract email addresses from attachment. This option is available so that you get extracted email from readable attachments files with complete accuracy. The last one is select fields to extract email addresses from. As you can see, there are many fields highlighted in this option such as from, subject, to, CC, and more. After all, tap to the Extract tab to start the process. After some time, a message appears on your screen declaring that the email extracting process is done and this much number of email addresses is found. Now, click on the Save button. The demo edition of the software allows you to extract only 10 email addresses from mailboxes. It's time to check the final results. So, open the resultant folder. As you can see, email addresses are successfully extracted from Thunderbird mailboxes with total precision. That's all for this video. We hope you get a good understanding on how to extract email address from Thunderbird mailboxes. If you have any questions, please leave in the comment box. To watch more 4 and 6 software videos, please subscribe to our channel. Have a great day.